So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Experimental Guy Ayush, and today we are going to make a RC car. So let's go. So guys, things required are gear, motors, wheels, DP-DT switch, 9-volt battery, popsicle sticks, old empty box, battery connector, wires, double-sided tape and a paper cutter. So guys, first of all take the motors and then take some extra wires for each of the motor and connect on the motors. So after connecting, take the popsicle stick and stick it with the help of double-sided tape. Then place the gear motors in the position which I am showing in the video, and first of all connect all the wheels. After connecting the wheels, place the gear motors in this position and with the help of the popsicle stick and double-sided tape, stick both of them together. After connecting it with the popsicle sticks, take the black tape or any tape and stick it to make it tight. And then now let's see the switch part. So guys, now take a DP-DT switch and small pieces of wire and connect it on the first and last terminal of the DP-DT switch as shown in an crossway manner. So guys, you can see I have connected the wires in a crossover manner, and same we have to do on the other switch. So now take the battery connector and connect it on the last two terminals of the DP-DT switch. So now you can see I have connected the battery connectors on the last two terminals of both the switch. Now take an empty box and mark the size of the DP-DT switch on the box, and with the help of paper cutter cut it. So guys, you can see I have cut the holes for the switch, and now put the connector inside the box and then fit the switch in the hole. So guys, now you can see our switches are fixed properly in the box, and now make a small hole on the back side of the box. Now take all the wires of the motor and pass it from the hole. After passing the wires from the hole, tie a small knot. Now take the wires and connect it on the middle terminal of the DP-DT switch. So guys, for the second motor we have to just connect the wire in an opposite direction. I mean, you can see in the first one we have connected the white wire on the left, but in this one we are connecting the blue wire on the left, and same on the right side. All our connections are done. Now take the batteries and connect it with the battery connector. And now our remote car is ready. So here you can see this is our switch, and the last two wires on the last terminal of the switch are the battery wires. The middle portion is of the motor wires, and the first and last terminals are connected together in an crossway manner, and here we have connected the battery with connector.